Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zutobi app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zutobi is a permit and driving prep app designed to help users prepare for their learner's permit and driving tests. The app offers interactive lessons, practice quizzes, and real-world driving scenarios to enhance understanding and retention. It also includes progress tracking and customizable study paths tailored to the user's region and test requirements. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated for its engaging content, clear explanations, and user-friendly interface. Many users find that the bite-sized lessons and gamified approach keep them motivated throughout their learning journey. The practice tests closely simulate real exams, which helps build confidence. Additionally, the app supports offline access, making it convenient for studying anywhere. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report that full access requires a paid subscription, which might be costly for some. There have been occasional complaints about minor bugs or app crashes. Also, while the app covers many regions, it may not have perfectly tailored content for every local jurisdiction. A few users feel that some lessons could be more in-depth. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Zutobi app may be worth using if you're preparing for your driving permit or test and want an engaging, well-structured study tool. It shines in content quality, interactive features, and motivation. However, if you prefer completely free resources or need very localized content, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.